lately I've been doing some thinking. You know, I've been with this phone, I've been with this OnePlus since it came out. I think it was 5 years ago. I've been with this phone for 5 years. I've been in the Android ecosystem since the Sony Xperia SP. That was probably 7 or 8 years ago. But you know what? Sometimes you just need a change. Sometimes you just need to start fresh. You know, I know in the past, I know what my stance has been on Apple. It's always been, oh, they're overpriced, and oh, their outlook on their customers is terrible. I've been intrigued by the Apple ecosystem, and I feel like it's just time for a change. So, you know what? Timmy, you win. You win, Tim. I get it, okay? I did it. This is it, okay? You know what I have here? I have the new iPhone. You see that? You get that? You getting that, Jill? You getting that? Look at that. New iPhone. iPhone 11 Pro, to be exact. This is it, the black edition, okay? Look at this. Look at this. Boom. Oh, beautiful, honestly. Look at this. Wow. One thing that Apple does right, they always make their product look really good. You know, you get that whole unboxing experience. You get that whole, you know, here's the box. There it is. There's your phone. It's beautiful, honestly. It's something that Apple has done well since the iPhone 1, the original iPhone. It's always something that they've had as part of their user experience, the whole unboxing experience. And now it's become a massive trend on YouTube. So like, you know, when people open these packages and they film it, they want to make sure that it looks good. So something that Apple does well all the time is their whole unboxing experience. Look, you got the Apple logo right in the back of the phone there. You getting that, Jill? Getting that? What else we got in this box? We got designed by Apple, a little bit of documentation here, whatever. You got the, here's the biggest thing. Here's the biggest thing about this, the iPhone Pro here. All right, you get the fast charge. This is the fast charger here. So this is something that you don't get with the iPhone 11. You get the fast charger, ultra fast charging, something that I value. I'm not really into the wireless charging thing. I'm not really into that yet. That's not my thing. But I can get behind fast charging. I plug it in, 30 minutes, I'm at 80% charge. It's fantastic. It's great, wonderful. What else we got? We got some headphones here. Got some wired headphones, USB-C, obviously, as there's still absolutely zero headphone jack. And of course, you got the one and only lightning cable. But the interesting thing here is, since the fast charger is USB-C, it is in fact a USB-C to lightning cable. I hope that in the next generation, the new iPhone just goes completely USB-C. Everybody's going USB-C. Apple, get on board, man. This is the one thing I would change, USB-C in the bottom of this. It'd be fantastic. Now I got the iPhone 11 Pro, not the Pro Max, but the Pro. And so this is a 5.8-inch screen, OLED, however, and they call it, what do they call it? The Super Retina. The Super Retina XDR display on this phone. A 2,000,000:1 contrast ratio. It's actually really good, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, you know what you're getting. You've seen videos. This isn't new. This has been out for quite a while now. You're getting the A13, you're getting the battery life, you're getting the screen, you're getting the experience, you're getting the whole Apple experience. The haptic touch, the water resistant, dust resistant, splash resistant, the triple camera bump right here. Look at that, look at the triple camera right here. The ultra wide, the telephoto. You know what's up. You've seen it. You know what you're getting. So this is it. This is my jump into the Apple ecosystem, and I start with the iPhone 11 Pro. I'm pretty excited about it. I'm not gonna lie. I was kind of looking forward to this, despite Tiffany being very like, oh my gosh, you're going Apple. Who are you? Oh my God. Yeah, that's what you sound like. But you know what? I honestly, one of the main things that got me this phone was the cameras. The cameras, I think, are ahead of everybody except the Pixel. However, I wasn't convinced that the Pixel would stand the test of time. I know that the Pixel in the past has had bad updates that made them very slow, or the battery drained very quickly. over maybe like 2 years, and I wasn't really ready to take that kind of jump. And also I just wanted to kind of get into the Apple ecosystem. Like I said, I wanted to kind of get myself in the door. So I thought maybe why wouldn't I start with the iPhone? You know, I got some AirPods right here. I'm gonna see what this bad boy sounds like right here. I'm gonna see what these bad boys sound like. Let's go. Let's jam out.
Up top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go, it's only up from there. I've been on my own, just running through the field. Say vivid for the ears, I know that's how they like it. Yeah, I fantasize it. Tell me that it's real when it's all said and done. I said it how I fit it.
So now I'm in the Apple ecosystem now. This is it. This is my jump into it. All right? You all happy? I'm in it. I changed. I switched teams. I'm on your side now. If this can convince me of Apple products, I hope this convinces me. I bought this thinking I will really like it. I usually go for Android phones. Those are the go-to. I've never even looked at an iPhone before this 11. But there was a change that was needed, and I wanted to get into the Apple ecosystem as the MacBooks started to look really good, the iPads start to look really good, the watches are taking off, and the AirPods, you know, the whole Apple ecosystem. And I'm buying into it. You know, I see people around on the subway, on the bus, they're transiting. They got the AirPods in there. They know what's going on. They're sticking them in there, you know. They just take it out of the case and just, you know, bam, you're in. That's it. Paired. Timmy, Mr. Cook, you convinced me. I'm in. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, peace.
So out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go, it's only up from there. I've been on my own, just running through the field. Say vivid for the ears, I know that's how they like it. Yeah, I fantasize it. Tell me that it's real when it's all